How to update Google Keep Notes. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to update Google Keep Notes easy and fast in less than 1 minute. So as you can see, this is my account on Google Keep Notes, and if I want to update it, all what you have to do is go to Play Store right here and now search for Google Keep in the search bar, and after you find it, uh, you should find in the green option right here update, and click on it, and your Google Keep Notes will be updated easy and fast. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching until the end. Thank you so much and see you later.